The average person grooms their lawns, hedges, and bushes multiple times a year. For most people, this means trimming the hedges every few weeks or months. The best cordless hedge trimmer will help you keep your hedges neat and maintain your ornamental trees and bushes. There are many products available to choose cordless hedge trimmer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless hedge trimmer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Black Plus Decker LHT2436 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The Black Plus Decker LHT2436 is a 24 inches hedge trimmer that uses dual action blades. This means you'll trim quickly and possibly get finished in half the time it takes you to trim your hedges using a single action blade hedge trimmer. You should get most of the overgrown branches through the 3/4 inch teeth gaps with ease, and this makes it an ideal trimmer for all kinds of hedges and bushes. It comes with a 40V lithium-ion battery which, when fully charged, renders up to 6,000 square feet of trimmed hedges. Also included is a fast charger which will give you a full charge in 1 hour. Black & Decker uses its power drive transmission mechanism in this hedge trimmer to help deliver powerful and swift cuts. Coupled with the dual action system, it gets more branches cut, saving you plenty of time. A wraparound front handle provides a firm but comfortable grip, with soft rubber grips offering a secure way to handle the hedge trimmer during operation. It's also very light, even with the battery on, and you can use it for long periods at a time without its weight becoming cumbersome. Black & Decker issues a 3-year warranty on this model, so you have the confidence that the company will handle any technical problems that may arise during this period. Number 2. WORX WG261 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. WORX WG261 affordable and lightweight cordless hedge trimmer lets you manage the biggest home landscaping jobs without ruining your budget. At just 4.6 pounds and a robust 22 inches dual action blade designed to deliver smooth, even cuts without wearing out your hands and arms, especially when taking into account a D-shaped handle, which makes it easy to direct the blades to the sides and tops of shrubs. This grip handle allows you to hold the tool from any angle, providing the leverage needed to reach any place, hedge or shrub you need. And with the speed of 2,600 SPM, you just will be done in a matter of seconds, easy as a game. Overmold construction on the grips absorbs vibrations to reduce fatigue and improve the overall user experience. The 20-volt lithium-ion battery can be used interchangeably with most 20 and 40-volt. And when it's time to recharge, the efficient charging station gets you back up and running within a couple of hours. The only inconvenience might be that this model doesn't have a battery indicator, but all in all it doesn't affect the performance. And for you to feel safe when purchasing, the WORX offers 3-year limited warranty. So, if something happens, you know that you are covered. Number 3. DeWalt DCHT 820P1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. If you need to trim a large hedge whose branches turn out to be quite thick, and you want to be mobile, the DeWalt DCHT 820P1 perfectly suits you. It is both comfortable to use and powerful. First, note the dimensions of the device. It measures 98.223.920 centimeters, which is equivalent to 38.669.417.87 inches. Its weight is 8.8 pounds. It is relatively easy to hold straight to get a clean cut. Meanwhile, it can be a bit heavy for some user profiles. It is very ergonomic to use. The rear handle and the front handle have both been designed to facilitate grip. It wouldn't let your hands feel the pressure too much. It is possible to trim your hedge without feeling tired. It's indeed a bit expensive, but knowing that it's impossible to trim a hedge without power, the price is justified. This model is used with a dual 20-volt and 5-ampere battery, which gives it a reasonable power autonomy. It is, therefore, suitable for regular maintenance. In terms of pure performance, it offers a double action cut. The two blades are movable for increased efficiency. The blade length is 55.88 centimeters. You can cut branches with a maximum thickness of 1.91 centimeters. You can hope to keep the hedge trimmer long before you have to replace it. Number 4. Greenworks 24 inches Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Greenworks HT40B 212 Cordless Hedge Trimmer is operated with a 2-ampere battery from Greenworks Battery System. With a cutting length of 24 inches, it is one of the smaller hedge trimmers. It is good for young or small to medium-sized hedges up to 1 meter in height. The cordless hedge trimmer is suitable for residential use but not suitable for larger hedges. The hedge trimmer is equipped with rotating blades that ensure a clean cut. With one battery charge, you can work for up to 60 minutes at a time. A system battery and a charger are included in the delivery. If the scissors cannot cut a branch straight away, the direction of rotation of the knife will change. This should ensure uninterrupted cutting. It's easy to operate and the 40-voltage battery is powerful. It has a USB port which you can turn into a power bank. It weighs around 11 pounds. The cordless hedge trimmer is equipped with a blade that is sharpened on both sides. The cutting blade can be exchanged easily and without tools. The hedge trimmer has a battery capacity display. The scope of delivery includes a knife cover to protect the blade from dirt. Number 5. Makita XHU2M1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Makita XHU2M1 is a considerably lightweight hedge trimmer at 7.4 pounds with a 22 inches blade, and uses an anti-vibration design to make this hedge trimmer comfortable and friendly to use. They include 5 cushions inside the motor housing to minimize vibration. Makita XHU2M1 uses a two-hand operation, where you have to grip the top handle and the switch to activate the motor. This two-hand engagement boosts safety during use as you're unlikely to cut yourself while running the machine. It's best suited for smaller hedges and bushes, as it has a maximum twig diameter of only 1/4 inches, about 10 millimeters, and 1,350 strokes per minute. Incorporated herein are lots of innovative technology and features. We particularly like the Star Protection computer controls, which ensure the trimmer doesn't overload, over-discharge, or overheat. There is also a low battery warning system, which stops the motor and turns on a light indicator to notify you that it's time to recharge the battery. Other notable features include an electric brake and battery cooling fan. Makita gives a 3-year limited warranty on this hedge trimmer. The only bummer is that the battery isn't included in the kit, you have to order it separately. Good thing is that the 18-volt Makita battery is also covered by warranty, and it's compatible with all other 18-volt lithium batteries with the star symbol. That's all from my end. I create helpful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.